finally ready to head out. This is what I have on today. Just a bunch of brown stuff while trying to stay warm. And my sister's coming along with us. So the first place we have to go is to the ATM so I can get some cash. So we're gonna head there first. Now that that's done, I'm gonna head out to my stylist's house. She's about 40-ish minutes away, so
what she said?
She said, "Hi, can you come at 1 instead?" That just hurt, but that's okay. We can
Go to the best.
we have a couple other restaurants, so I'm gonna get my eyebrows done first, and then we're gonna head to Best Buy because I need to buy a tripod for my camera. And what? Chick-fil-A? She's talking about some Chick-fil-A. Guess we'll see. We made it to the nail shop. Okay, eyebrows done. Next, we're gonna head to Best Buy. Literally, it's the only thing without a
Price.
Actually, is this it? This is it, ain't it? It's cheaper.
Tripod.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this will work. This will do the job. Exchange this one and get this one, and it also matters.
Did you have a number for Ariel?
Yeah, 776. Was a success. I also got the tripod on sale, so it was only $10 instead of $19.99. So far we're doing good. I didn't see any cute camera bags, so we're gonna check at Five Below. Response.
It is
Hello.
just a 2-minute wait because we're at max capacity.
Cool. Thank you.
You're welcome, everyone.
You too. That was a fail. I don't know. Maybe we'll check online. I wonder if for next week, because I plan on vlogging a little bit more, but we'll see. Sorry, I already know Chick-fil-A.
But I'm Ari. For the no one who asked, these things in my hair are not locks. A lot of people keep asking me if I'm trying to do the same thing as her. I'm not. I actually just like wearing my hair naturally out, but sometimes you don't want to do your hair, so I just put them in these things, which could be locks. I could leave them there and they would turn into locks. That is not what is happening, so that's just a disclaimer for nobody.
Okay guys, we made it, and